Welcome to the class. I'm your English teacher Ragini Tiwari. Student, today we are going to start class 8th, third chapter or retrieved reformation. Okay? And what is the meaning of retrieved? Retrieved means regained or recovered. Regained or recovered. Reformation means the act of making an improvement. The act of making an improvement, especially by changing a person. So here, this story, which is written by O. Henry, a famous fiction writer, O. Henry, has written this story. And in this story, he had explained a character named James Valentine, who had reformed his character. Something must have been happened with him as he decided to reform his character. Okay. So before beginning this story, let's come to know how many characters are there in this fiction. The main leading character is James Valentine or Jimmy Valentine. Okay, Jimmy Valentine, who had also owned one more name, Ralph D. Spencer. The fake name Ralph D. Spencer, but actual name was Jimmy Valentine. Annabella was Jimmy's beloved. Jimmy loved her. Ben Price was a police officer, or you can say a detective too. Mr. Adam was Annabella's father. May and Agatha were the daughters of Annabella's married sister. So these are the characters you will interact in this story. Now let's begin the story. Here, Mr. James Valentine, he was a burglar. He was a very famous burglar and very finest burglar. And Mr. Ben Price was a perfect police officer. Okay, so James Valentine, who used to do burglary, and his specialty is to cracking safes, especially in banks. Mr. Ben Price, the police officer, is determined to catch him anyhow. While planning his next heist, Jimmy falls in love with the banker's daughter. Banker's daughter here, Mr. Adams' daughter, Annabella. He falls in love with her and he decided to reform his personality. He decided to reform his character. So let's see how a burglar became a decent person. Mr. James Valentine walked out of the prison into the sunshine, a free man. He went to the cafe of one Mike Dolan. He was alone behind the bar and shook hands with him. Mr. James Valentine was in prison. Okay? Now he was out. He was out of the prison. He got free. As he had been sentenced 4 years jail, but he had some bigger connection in prison. That's how within few days or few months only he came out from the prison, and now he was a free man. He went to the cafe of one Mike Dolan. Mike Dolan, one of his friend, James Valentine's friend, he came to his cafe, and who was alone behind the bar. Mike Dolan was sitting alone behind the bar, and when he met to Valentine, they shook hands. Sorry, we couldn't make it sooner. Make it sooner, Jimmy, my boy, said Mike. What Mike said? Mike said to Jimmy that we couldn't make it sooner, that we would not be able to get you free sooner from the prison. Okay? Feeling all right? Are you all right? Mike asked to Jimmy. Are you all right? Fine, said Jimmy. Jimmy replied in positive way that yes, I'm fine. Got my key? Means Jimmy asked to Mike that have you got my key? If you are having my key, please give it to me. He got his key and went upstairs. Jimmy took his key from Mike and he went upstairs. Unlocking the door of a room, he unlocked a door of a room. He opened a room by unlocking the door at the rear. The room was backside. Everything was just as he had left it before going to jail. How he left his room, the room was in the same way. Nothing has changed in the room. Everything was just ahead he had left. Even Ben Price's collar button that had been torn from the detective's shirt when they came to arrest. When Ben Price came to arrest Jimmy, okay, and the something must have been happened that Ben Price's collar button had been torn from his shirt. The button was already there. Jimmy was still lying there. Arrested Jimmy was still lying there. The collar button was still lying there. Jimmy pulled aside a panel in the wall. Jimmy opened a cupboard. Okay. Jimmy pulled aside a panel in the wall. Jimmy opened a cupboard, dragged out a dust covered suitcase. A very old suitcase he took out from that cupboard. A old suitcase Jimmy took out from that cupboard. He opened it and gazed fondly at the finest set of burglar's tool in the country. That as he was very finest burglar, a very finest robber who used to crack safes. So when he saw that suitcase and opened it, it seems that he was likely to do these all things, that because in that suitcase all the tools was in a very finest way to use for a finest burglar. Shortly after the release of Valentine, there were neat jobs of safe burglary with no clue to the thief. As he was this much finest burglar that he never never left a clue behind him. He was a very fine burglar. The losses mounted and were now high enough to bring the matter up into Ben Price's class of work. Ben Price also had a class of work. He was one of the finest police officer. That's why he was able to capture James. But now it's the time for recovery. As whatever he had lost, now it's time to get it. So student, this is it for today. We will continue our story in our next video. Till then, have a nice day.